This is a HEPA filter for my Tesla Model Y. Today I'm going to replace my old HEPA filter and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So why we should replace this HEPA filter? Because it creates bad smells and it could be allergic, because the old HEPA filter collect dust and eventually it creates allergy and bad smell. That's why we have to change it. So if you want to change this by Tesla, they will charge you almost $300 and you have to wait 2 weeks to get the appointment. So today I'm going to show you how to replace it. If you go Tesla website and order it, it's cost only $90 and you can do it yourself. So if you see this video, so you will save the time, you don't have to wait 2 weeks and it will save you money. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. It's so easy, just you have to watch the video to the end and I'm sure it will help you out. So you might have a question, what kind of tools I need to take up all these parts, right? So you don't need a lot of tools, you just need one tool to open all of this. First of all, this part is easy. You take out just like that. You just take it out and put it in here. And you need that tool. I think star head tool. And you can open everything with this tool. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. Let me give it to me. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So look at this area. This area is not too complicated. It's so easy to open. So these are the screw all the way. Other side you can see all this screw. You just take out this screw. You can see here all the screws are here. So this side is a little harder and the screws are inside. So you have to bang it, hold like this. If you have 2%, that will be better. So you take this thing up from there and you take the screw out. So now I'm going to open the front hood, and first you have to take this cover off. It's so easy, it's already open. So you have couple of plastic things, screws in here. It's easy to open. Today I'm going to wash it as well. So put it on the side. So you have here some screws. Let's see how many screws we have. So I'm going to take off this. Okay, keep it in here. Safe. 1, 2, 3, 3. Here is 4. Here is 5. Six. 7. Here is another one. So this one gonna be a little bit tough. So what you have to do, you have to push this and open like this. And this is the last one. Okay. So this is, see, this is the cover. So this is the HEPA filter. See, it's so much dirt. That's why it's creating a smells. Okay, this is so much dirt. So when you water, make sure you water both. So you get 2 filter and also 2 additional filter goes underneath. So you open both. Okay, so total 4. Okay, so these are 2 and 2 more. So you have to be careful. So see this Tesla writing in here, and see Tesla writing other side is you don't have any writing. So when you put it in, you gotta careful that the writing side goes on the bottom. Okay. Oh, so much dirty. The writing side goes on the bottom. Now before you put it in, you gotta clean this up. I'm gonna blow out the dirt. Work it out with this flat driver. You just take off like this. Okay, make sure the first one Tesla writing goes up. Yeah, take this out with this flat screw. Make sure you put Tesla writing on top. Okay, so first cover is done. This dirty. Now we put the new one. Okay, remember we told you put the Tesla writing on the bottom. Make sure you push all side 4 corners so it will settle down. Look, this is nice fit. So this is the way you can do it. I'm trying to clean some dirt. Now I'm going to put this cover back again. Okay, so
I saw it like that. By the way, under.
okay, it goes down in there. Okay, now you gotta put this wall screw here. Those are the top one. So these are the top part, and I put all the screw back in here. So all the screw are back. Now you make sure you match this thing goes with the here. You put this thing back and done. So this is the way you change your HEPA filter. I think my hand is dirty, but it took only 15 minutes. So I think 15 minutes is worth it. If you really want to do it yourself, it's easy. Only you have to take the screw out. I show you the instruction. If you have any question, please comments in the comment box, ask me question. I'll show you. I do a lot of things for my Tesla. I do myself, so I save money and I enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.